Who's that calling Coney Island? Who's that calling Coney Island? Yeah, come on to Coney Island and put it where I can get it. Come on back to Trinitron9 Coney Island and put it where I can get it. Yeah, I heard two people talking. I heard two people talking. I didn't get nobody's 20. I didn't get nobody's handle. But that first guy that was calling Coney Island, you came up the loudest on my radio, but it was just some heterodyning in there. But I'm listening. I'm listening. I'm standing up in this boardwalk and I'm listening. Trinitron9 Coney Island, good though?
Well, anyway, I can't think of the other guy right now, but there's three of them up here, and I talk to you pretty regular there, Roger.
109 had my ear hole that time. 109 Florida had my ear hole that time. I'm going to take a pause for the cause. I hope y'all can get it back and put it in my radio because I want to know who was calling me. Trinitron9 Coney Island, the man with all that bread, good now? I heard somebody say, how about that Trinitron9? I heard somebody say, how about that Trinitron9? But y'all jumping up and down like James Brown, a whole lot of heterodyning, trying to get somebody to clean up my radio. Trying to get somebody to clean up my Coney Island radio. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
Right, well, Trinitron9.
Well, I heard you say Trinitron9, but then it got real rough and tough in my ear hole again. I heard you say Trinitron9, and it got real rough around Coney Island again. I'm just going to sit on this boardwalk, keep my ear to the water. I'm just going to sit on my boardwalk out here in Coney Island and keep my ear to the water. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling. It's a mess out here in Coney Island right about now. Hello, it's a mess on my Coney Island radio right about now. Hello, radio. I said it's a big mess out here in Coney Island right about now. Good morning in the band. Good morning, Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling. Riding my Coney Island wave and walking on all my water. I'm riding my Coney Island wave and I'm walking on all my water. It's a mess out here in the water. It's a mess out here in the water this morning. Trinitron9 Coney Island with the morning wave. Good now?
You were in there, hopefully I hear me out there. Anyway, y'all have a good day. I do have a radio. Looks like we got a green light out there.
Riding my wave, walking on my water. Riding my Coney Island wave, walking on my water. I'm just playing in the water right now. It's a mess on my radio. We got cloudy skies out here in Coney Island, but I'm playing in the water. Cloudy skies around Coney Island, but I'm going to play my water. Trinitron9, the man with all that bread. Good now?
Yeah, you are. 944. There he is right there, Stroker Motor, coming on back to Mr. Woodchuck. It's a funny farm. That's right, Stroker Motor. Come on, let's go break.
Hello, radio. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. The man with all that bread in his hand. Good now?
In the world of sounds, they'll triple, they go big eyes. Yo, take it easy there, cool cat.